Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a SwissMe Bank debit card. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for SwissMe Bank. Then click on the first link that pops up. So this is their official website. So next we're going to click on Features, then click on Payments, then click on Debit Card. So here click on Apply for a Debit Card online box. Then here you're going to insert your first name, your last name, as well as your email. Then you're going to select the type of card you want. So here they have 3 types of card, as you can see. So depending on your preference, you're going to select it and click on Next. Then after that, your request will be submitted. Then once they confirm, they're going to contact you. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.